Good morning, traders. John Caruso coming to you here Tuesday, June 5th with your global currencies update. We'll take a look. We just had an ISM number that came out. We saw the reading come in at 53.7. The market was expecting 53.4, slightly better than expected. We are seeing global equity prices trade higher right now. Last I checked on the S&P, we're about 1283. But I am following the correlation between stocks and the U.S. dollar and global currencies for that matter. Right now the U.S. dollar is holding its own. It's trading roughly around 82.86, which has it up 20 points on the day so far. We did see a reversal off of support last night down at 82.40. Some factors involved with that. We did see some weak retail sales numbers come out in the Eurozone, and there was also a G7 emergency conference call with rumors of a possible Greek exit. None of that has been confirmed just yet. They are all still just rumors at this point. Next resistance level about 83. The high was 83.03.5, but we couldn't convincingly take out that 83 mark. I do believe we could scratch and crawl our way up to about 83.15. And then from there, your next support or your next resistance level will be about 83.39. We got to watch the correlation, watch it very closely as volatility is very high. Watch the correlation between the U.S. dollar and U.S. equities this morning. Euro right now trading about middle of its range, 124.61. We put in a low last night, 124.10. As I mentioned before, we had some weak retail sales numbers that came out in the Eurozone, and again that G7 emergency conference call. I do have support in the euro down at 123.78. And still, I said this, I mentioned this yesterday. I'm still looking at selling rallies in the euro currency until we have a more clear-cut picture as to the direction of Europe and the European debt contagion at this point. Also, key factor last night, we had the Bank of Australia cut interest rates by 1/4%. That is a surprise rate cut. We did see an initial pop in the Aussie last night to 97.37. I'm sorry, 97.92, which was the high. We are trading roughly around 97.37. So right now the market still has that risk-off mentality in foreign currencies. I do believe we could fall back in the Aussie down around 96.25. I would look at maybe taking a stab at the long side down off of that support level at 96.25. So once again, I'm John Caruso. Feel free to give me a call anytime, 800-669-5354. And remember, trading futures and options carries risk. It may not be suitable for all investors.